Welcome to Next Gen Bikes, your go-to destination for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced superbikes of 2025, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. This beast is the epitome of Italian engineering, combining mind-blowing performance with state-of-the-art aerodynamics and cutting-edge electronics. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory continues to push the boundaries of speed and precision. Under the fairings, it packs a monstrous 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower and 125 newton-meters of torque. This machine is designed to dominate both the track and the streets, with a top speed well beyond 190 miles per hour. The refined engine mapping and enhanced electronics make every twist of the throttle an adrenaline rush. Aprilia has taken aerodynamics to the next level with an updated carbon fiber winglet design, optimizing downforce and high-speed stability. The aggressive front fascia, full LED lighting, and an improved air intake system ensure better cooling and improved overall efficiency. The lightweight aluminum frame and fully adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension provide unmatched handling, whether you're carving through corners or blasting down the straightaway. Braking is top tier, featuring Brembo Stylema calipers paired with dual 330mm front discs and a 220mm rear disc, ensuring pinpoint stopping power. The latest APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, suite now includes an upgraded traction control system, wheelie control, launch control, engine brake control, and multiple riding modes tailored for track, sport, and street conditions. The RSV4 1100 Factory's cockpit is built for riders who demand performance and connectivity. A 5-inch TFT display provides all essential ride data, with smartphone integration for navigation and lap timing. Aprilia has refined the ergonomics with an updated seat design, repositioned foot pegs, and improved airflow for rider comfort during long rides. Weighing just under 440 pounds, 199 kilograms, this superbike strikes the perfect balance between power and agility. With an advanced quick shifter, adjustable swing arm, and an improved exhaust system, the RSV4 1100 Factory delivers an exhilarating ride experience that only a few bikes in the world can match. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is expected to hit the market with a price tag of around $26,000, making it a premium choice for riders looking for race-ready performance with the latest technology. Whether you're a track enthusiast or an everyday thrill seeker, this machine promises to be one of the best superbikes of the year. What do you think about the new Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory? Is it the ultimate superbike for 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Bikes for more updates on the world's most exciting two-wheelers. Stay tuned for more high-performance action.